What is your first thought about epilation? Ouch? Let's face reality, epilation causes pain. The perception of this is different for everyone, especially the first time. Why? Because it plucks the hair from the root. News is that pain is reduced with regular use. And there is more you can do. Epilate with short hair. The ideal hair length is between 0.5 and 5 millimeters. Players may need more passes with more discomfort. Using a wet and dry epilator in the bathtub with warm water reduces discomfort. Braun Epilators feature massage rollers that help to make epilation more comfortable. For weeks of smooth skin, not just days.